Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Moen cartridge model and selecting the matching core puller. This matters because sizes and engagement differ. Once done, shut the water supply and remove the handle, trim, and escutcheon so you see the cartridge top. Now seat the puller concentrically over the cartridge stem and thread the tool by hand to ensure proper engagement. You want firm seating so the puller won't slip. Tighten slowly with the supplied wrench until you feel steady resistance, then pause and reassess alignment. Continue by breaking the mineral and O-ring seal. Turn the puller steadily and avoid jerky tugs because sudden force can shear cartridge ears. If the cartridge won't budge, apply penetrating lubricant around the base, wait several minutes, and try alternating small clockwise and counterclockwise turns to fracture the seal. Make sure you maintain vertical pull so the cartridge comes straight out. Angled force often damages the valve bore. As the cartridge begins to move, increase steady extraction until it clears the body. To finish, remove the cartridge fully, then inspect the cartridge, O-rings, and valve bore for nicks, corrosion, or debris. This explains leaks or stiffness. If removal stalls, try gentle heat to expand metal or tap the puller lightly. Only use cutting as a last resort to avoid bore damage. Once replaced, install new seals and reassemble trim in reverse order. Make sure to test at low pressure first, watch for leaks, then restore full water to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.